Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1993 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit that consisting of an op-amp, and given that the op-amp is ideal, we are going to calculate output voltage V0. So whenever we are dealing with op-amp, most of the times we will get the relation between output and input by using KCL and KVL. If you are good at KCL and KVL, you can easily solve 90% of the problems related to op-amp. Okay, this is one such type of problem. Because no other parameter is given, we are going to calculate V0. The only thing is nothing but we can solve it using KCL and KVL. They are universal laws, they can apply for any circuit. So here we are calculating V0 using in this way, using KCL and KVL. And this is the node I am going with V non-inverting node, that is nothing but V positive. Okay, otherwise V plus. Voltage at non-inverting terminal as V plus and voltage at inverting terminal as V minus. So this node is going to be treated as V minus. So first I am applying KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, at non-inverting node. So that is nothing but over here. If you apply KCL over here, current flowing through this one, internals of op-amp is going to be always 0. So no current flows into internals, remember that one, because op-amp has very high input impedance that doesn't allow any currents to flow into the op-amp internal input terminals. So now the current flowing through this one is going to be same as current flowing through this one. Otherwise you can apply the KCL from this point towards the other nodes. So this node is at plus 4 volts and this node is at V0. So you can write like this: V plus minus 4 divided by 100 ohms plus V plus minus V0 divided by 99 is equal to 0. So take V plus one side, so that V plus is nothing but 1 by 100 plus 1 by 99 is equal to V0 by 99 plus 4 by 100. So you can write it as V plus times of 199 divided by 9900. You are taking LCM, and over here you can write it as 9900 into 100 V0 plus 396. So 9900 get cancels. What you are getting is 199 V plus is equal to 100 V0 plus 396. 100 V0 plus 396. This is equation 1. And now we are applying KCL at inverting node. KCL at inverting node is nothing but at this point we are applying the KCL. So now V minus minus 4 divided by 100 ohms plus V minus minus the other node is nothing but this one, which is connected towards this one, which is nothing but ground. So it will be at 0 volts. So V minus minus 0 divided by 100, that is equal to 0. So this you can write it as 2 V minus by 100 is equal to 4 by 100. So 100 get cancels from this one. You can write it as V minus is equal to 2 volts. This is second equation. And if you remember, the given op-amp is going to be ideal nature. The given op-amp is of ideal nature. Ideal op-amp has open loop gain is equal to infinite. So generally you can write output voltage is nothing but open loop gain times of differential input voltage. So differential input voltage you can write it as V0 divided by AOL, that is something divided by infinite is nothing but always 0. Differential input voltage nothing but voltage from non-inverting terminal, voltage at non-inverting terminal minus voltage at inverting terminal. This gives V plus is equal to V minus. This is going to be always true. V plus is equal to V minus. This concept is called as virtual short. This virtual short concept is going to be always valid for ideal op amp or for a practical op amp with infinite open loop gain. These are the two cases where we can follow the virtual short, that is voltage at both the terminals are going to be exactly same, and it has given that one ideal op amp. So definitely you can go for V plus is equal to V minus is equal to 2 volts. So substitute this V plus as 2 volts in equation 1. So from equation 1, 192 into this is 199 V plus is 2 volts. So this you can get it as 398 volts is equal to 100 V naught plus 396. So 100 V naught is equal to 2 volts and V naught is equal to 20 millivolts. This is the right answer. So output voltage for this circuit, which is going to be consisting of a bridge, is going to be 20 millivolts, is going to be the right answer. Thank you.